Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how to log in to your existing account on the Goodbudget app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Goodbudget app by simply tapping on it, and you will now see the login as well as create new household option. The second option is for those users who don't already have an account. So if you already have one, go ahead and tap on login. You will now be prompted to either enter your household name or your email address. You can type in your household name if you have set it within your account, otherwise just type in your email address that you used while signing up for your account. After this, just type in your account password, and now you can tap on the login button, which will immediately log you in to your Goodbudget account. In case you have forgotten your password, you will find the forgot password option, which you can tap in order to use your email address to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log in to your existing account on the Goodbudget app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Also, don't forget to ring that notification bell, and I'll see you again in the next one.